Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a concept, but a dynamic, autonomous partner that can actually help you tackle complex programming tasks. Well, that world is here, and it's all thanks to Devin, the first AI software engineer and a powerful autonomous AI agent. In today's fast-paced tech landscape, keeping up with the latest advancements in artificial intelligence can be a daunting task. But what if I told you that there's an AI-powered tool that can revolutionize the way you approach software development? Meet Devin, the cutting-edge AI assistant that's about to change the game. What is Devin? Devin is a groundbreaking artificial intelligence that's been specifically designed to aid software engineers and developers like yourself. Unlike traditional AI assistants that are limited to simple tasks, Devin is a fully autonomous agent capable of writing code, debugging, and even conceptualizing new software solutions. How does Devin work? Devin works by leveraging the latest advancements in natural language processing, machine learning, and deep learning algorithms. By understanding your specific coding challenges and project requirements, Devin can autonomously generate, test, and refine code to help you overcome even the most complex programming obstacles. As an autonomous AI agent, Devin can make decisions and take actions independently, without the need for constant human supervision. Key features and benefits. Autonomous code generation. Devin can write clean, optimized code from scratch, based on your prompts and project specifications. Intelligent debugging. Devin can quickly identify and fix bugs in your code, saving you time and frustration. Conceptual ideation. Devin can help you brainstorm and develop innovative software solutions, expanding the boundaries of what's possible. Seamless integration. Devin seamlessly integrates with your favorite IDEs and development tools, making it an indispensable part of your workflow. Continual learning. Devin's AI model is constantly evolving, ensuring that it stays up to date with the latest programming best practices and technologies. Getting started is easy. Simply visit their website, sign up for an account, and start exploring Devin's impressive capabilities and set up your project. With Devin by your side, you'll be able to tackle your programming challenges with newfound efficiency and creativity. Discover how Devin, the first AI software engineer, can revolutionize the way you approach software development. Don't miss out on the future of coding. Like and subscribe for more AI tools news and updates, reviews, tutorials, and more. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video.